Hey guys, how's it going? I got mail! More TRX stuff, and what I'm thinking this is going to be my new, and I'm right, it's my new HSP motor and ESC that my wife ordered for me. This is Surpass system this time. No more of this hobby wing or HSP stuff. And this is 36 series brushless system. I know the video says TRX, but you know, I want to do it all in one shot. Oh, would you look at that? We actually have, oh, they talk about a program card. Hope it came with one. Otherwise, that's gonna suck. Okay. So, we've got new motor. This is a 4-pole 3900 kV. Didn't think I'd put something like this into an HSP truck, but figured, well, why not? Price is right. And of course we've got our ESC here, which is waterproof, 2S, 3S LiPo, 60 amp, no programmer button at all. So this is going to be interesting. Well, I guess we'll see what the program default is, unless there's a program card, and I'm going to say no. I guess I'll have to check Banggood's website for a program card, because there's no, no, even the power switch doesn't have a program or button. There's no buttons on the ESC for programming, yet they do talk about programming. Well, I do have a program card here that might work. We'll have to check that later. It's not for Surpass, but if Surpass is anything like the Leopard systems, I think it's a Leopard one I have. Anyway, I guess we'll check it later. So, on to the TRX4 stuff. We'll put that junk away, because I have to do some upgrading today. I need to have some fun. It's kind of nice having a day off today. It's like, yes, I get to do some stuff I don't want to do today. So, oh, well that's crappy. These were both supposed to be black. What happened there? Oh, I guess you don't see it while it's under the hood, but I'm still going to complain. Because these were both supposed to be black according to my order on Wish. New screws anyways. These are the bumper mounts, front and back. So, they were both supposed to be black. Well, there we go. Got that. Now, what the heck is this thing? Oh, this is my 2S LiPo that I ordered. This is the one that I wanted for my truck. Oh, is this ever tiny for 1000 milliamp? Holy cow. That's cool though. I was hoping it would be something small. That can stay tucked out of the way really good. Yeah. Alright, so we'll have to give that a charge. What I've been using was, actually I'll show you what I've been using. Oh, it's not in the box. Oh, maybe it's still, no, I don't know if it's still, it might still be in the truck, but let's check the truck anyway. Might still be in the truck. I knew I took it out to charge it. Let me just change your viewpoint, guys. Alright. Gotta come apart anyhow, because, yeah, I'm gonna be busy for the next little bit. No, it's not in my truck. I don't know where that battery went. should have been back in the LiPo box after it was charged. Anyway, I've been using something almost twice the size of this for a 2-cell. But this works out really good because less space being taken up, that's always a good thing. So this will actually strap on really nice. I might even use some of that new high performance sticky tape I have instead of zip ties, because even that might work out good. But we'll see. But the idea was to put it here. I'm kind of wondering. No way. Well, I don't know. It might, because we got 2 positions we can do with the battery, right? Okay, so there's my 3-cell battery. Because what I was thinking of originally doing, I'll have to figure out how to feed these down the slots, or make an adapter of some sort. But let's tuck them down there so this way they can't get nailed by anything. That should be the higher side. So if that sits like that, nope, nope. Okay, so you cannot tuck the battery down in the bottom area. So that's not going to work out. So the idea here is battery goes in, this is going to go on top. This runs my lights, my winch, and whatever else I decide to plug into the sucker. But that I want mounted right about in here because it's more convenient, and there's a lot of space in the cavity in here too, so it kind of makes sense to put it there. But yeah, that's alright. So which one of these is front and which one is rear? Let's take a look at these for a second. That looks like, yeah, that's going to be my front one. Yeah, that'll be the front. And then the other one's going to be my rear, of course. Package screws. Yeah, looks pretty good. That'll work. Yeah, that's just the thinner profile, so yeah, that goes there. Anyway, so at least we got the bumper mounts, but I'm really disappointed at this one being silver because my order specified them in black, both of them. So they're gonna get a complaint today. Anyhow, so I'm still waiting for more stuff. Obviously, a lot more mod parts are on the way. I ordered more stuff yesterday. My wife ordered me the wheel hub extenders, wideners, so that I can use my new beadlock rims without a problem. So in the meantime, I guess I will hook up that brushless system, check out my programmer card to see if it'll work with it. If it does, awesome. If not, I guess I'll have to check Banggood's website for a Surpass programming card specific. But yeah, that should be pretty interesting. And we will have running footage of the HSP truck today, and see how it runs with this 3900 kV system, because that's going to be really super sick. That's going to be awesome. And we're only doing 2S because I still have to, actually I do have to change out a axle, because last time I ran 3S on it with the other system, I buggered up one of my axles in the back, bent one, so I got to change that before I can even run it. But anyways, guys, that's what I got for you today for more mod parts in the mail. I got to charge up this 2S battery, get it installed. That'll be awesome. And we'll show you what these things actually look like on the truck. Alright guys, we got the metal bumper mounts put on this TRX4. Front one came in black, the rear one came in silver, but I had some fast drying gloss black paint, so I painted her, even though I still complained to Wish that wrong color. You know, they got to be informed that, you know, either way, but at least now it's black. So I know it's not like it's going to be seen, but when you pull the hood off of your RC and it just doesn't look right, it's got to be right. So I spray painted the aluminum one in the back from silver to black, so it's all good now. It's black. But we'll see how long black paint actually survives on this truck for. You know, it is paint, right? So, but anyways, it looks good now. Looks way better. I'm happy with how things are coming along. I still have a boatload of stuff to do in black on this truck. Well, not just black, but metal, period. Let me just change this around for you guys. So I still have a lot of metal upgrades to do on this. Virtually the entire truck, from what I understand, can go completely metallized. And that's what I'm after. I want to go completely metal, I think. Except for a couple of parts that I think will just have to stay in plastic, but otherwise, yeah, why not, eh? So, my next task for the day is to change the shock oil on the back shocks to the Traxxas oil that I used in the fronts. And continue on from there. But it is coming along quite well. Very happy with that, so that's awesome. The metal doesn't feel like it's really that much difference in weight from the plastic. So I don't really care because it doesn't matter to me, but you know, it's by the time the truck is all metal though, it will weigh up. It definitely will weigh up, especially once everything is done in metal. Anyways, in the meantime, we have yet another mod completed to the TRX4. Now we're just waiting for more mod parts, and if my tracking number is correct, I shall be receiving yet another part in the mail tomorrow, which will be awesome. It's kind of like Christmas every day lately. Well, almost every day. You know, except weekends we don't get mail, but it's great, so I'm loving it. So, thanks for watching, and catch you on the next one.